Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks. Today I am going to give you tips about car insurance for Mexico tourist. First you have to subscribe and like my channel for more videos and update. Car insurance for Mexico tourists. Get a Mexico car insurance policy with Geico. Your US auto insurance policy won't cover your car if you drive into Mexico. To have coverage while driving in Mexico, you need to buy a separate Mexico tourist auto policy. Mexico car insurance is competitively priced and offer customized short-term or extended coverage options, including physical damage, liability, vandalism, partial theft, medical payments, roadside assistance, and more. Check out on this link for more details. The Geico Insurance Agency can help you get affordable car insurance for visits to Mexico. Choose the policy that's right for you and buy online. Guys, now I'm going to tell you why buy Mexico car insurance. Are you traveling for the weekend, taking an RV vacation, or even staying longer? Geico can help you get a Mexico auto insurance policy that's right for you. Flexible options include daily policies, 6 months policies, $12-month policies. What do I need to get a Mexico car insurance policy? It is helpful to have the following information handy before starting your Mexican car insurance. Dates you will be traveling in Mexico, where in Mexico you will be traveling, US auto insurance policy. If you are driving your personal vehicle, make, model, year, and current market value for the vehicle identification number, that is we can say VIN, license plate number, insuring your motorcycle or RV in Mexico. Along with cars, we can also insure your motorcycle or RV when traveling to Mexico, whether you are planning a weekend ride to the coast on your motorcycle or want to see all the Mexico has to offer in your RV. Geico can help. Reliable Mexico car insurance. We secure policies by working with highly rated Mexican insurance companies like Group, National, Provincial, and EI Algula Compania. So these Mexico insurance policies are issued by a fully licensed US insurance broker, International Insurance Group, including who issues over 1 lakh Mexico auto policies each year. Guys, if you are planning your visit to Mexico, you must have to hire a bicycle or a car or anything that you are going to hire. You have to must ensure that if you meet any accident over there, God forbid me, so if the car and your health and you are insured by their government, you will be paying for that car and you are not going to be face any damage currently and for in your future.